Okay, we're going to talk about how to use TubeSubscriber. It's a plugin, but it doesn't show up on the left-hand side on your plugins. It's because you actually use it as a widget. Let me explain that. So to find your widgets on your site, go to Appearance. All WordPress sites have this right here, Appearance. And then go to where it says Widgets. Now, on the left-hand side, you see your available widgets. A lot of these come with WordPress. If you bought other extensions like TubeSubscriber, you will see these on here also. Now, for our purposes, we're using the beta version of TubeSubscriber, which still does not have its final name, TubeSubscriber, right here in beta version. We called it YouTube Video Widget. Do not get confused by that. When you upload this and license it, you're going to see it right here as TubeSubscriber, okay, with a little description down here. Over here, you're going to see your sidebar or sidebars. All right, let's make sure you understand that. This, let's just go to a post. Okay, this is a post, right? It's got normal stuff that you put on a WordPress site. And this thinner vertical section is called a sidebar. So this particular theme has one sidebar. There are some WordPress There are some WordPress themes with multiple sidebars, okay? With this one, we have one sidebar. So you'll have to figure out if you have a sidebar. Every WordPress theme I know has the option of having or not having a sidebar. So if you have a sidebar, if you have two sidebars, where the sidebars are, all that stuff, that's theme dependent. That has nothing to do with their plugin. So you're going to have to figure out all that stuff. It's not hard. But because the sidebars are usually, I have one sidebar, so it just says sidebar. But if you have two sidebars, it would say something like left sidebar, right sidebar, sidebar, and one sidebar, two, something like that. So, with that said, to get the widget to actually show up on your sidebar, i.e. to get TubeSubscriber to actually show up here, okay, you're going to have to take the widget from here and you're going to have to drag it and position it there. All right, now you can see it opens up. I mean, I've already got one instance of it here. This put two instances of it, but you see it opens up, and it needs you to customize it, basically. The first thing you need to do is put in the channel ID. So how do you find your channel ID? Well, you go to YouTube, and you have to log in, because the whole goal is you're pulling this from a YouTube account, right? So here I am. You see my beautiful picture here. I'm logged into one of my YouTube channels. And if you will just click on your picture, click on the settings, see the gear symbols, click on settings. And then we're going to click on advanced settings. And you will see your YouTube user ID here and your YouTube channel ID here. It's this one that you want, the channel ID. So highlight that and copy it. Okay, don't try to type it, copy it. And then let's just here we'll just do it. Okay. Make sure you don't get any leading or trailing spaces or any of that nonsense. Okay, so you put your channel ID in there. The next thing, you're going to have to configure the widget. So you can pull in your latest video, your most popular video, or your highest rated video from the channel that you designate here. Okay, so number one, that's it. You can also see where it says header outline, header underline, subscriber number, light or dark text. So this is the headers talking about here. You're talking about light or dark text there. Why would you want light text or dark text? Well, it's not, well, it's not rare. Most WordPress themes are fairly light colored, but if you have a really dark colored background, okay, then these black letters aren't going to show up, right? So we would want a light colored letters. Notice where it says you get the subscribe button automatically. That just comes directly from YouTube. But notice where it says the number of subscribers, where it indicates the approximate number of subscribers. You control that here, show that or hide that. You know, I mean, if you're brand new and you got 2 subscribers, you may want to hide it. If you got some subscribers, as I do, you probably want to show it, okay? Light or dark text. And the header outline and header underline come right here. See this header, this is the header. This header is both outlined and underlined. And the header color. The header color has to do with the red here, and you can choose any color you want. This comes up here, you can just choose the color here, or you can, you know, just put it in yourself, etc., etc., where it says add custom colors. I mean, you can choose color, add custom color, all that stuff. You can get the red, blue, green numbers and put those in there and all that. So, pretty simple to use. It's designed to be extremely simple, and it is designed to actually increase your views and increase your subscribers, excuse me, without you ever having to think about it again after you install it. So that's how you install it. It's set and forget, install, walk away from it, let it do its work, and it will build out your account for you. Thank you so much. My name's Lee Cole, and I hope you enjoyed this video.